Accounting is a textbook example of a field that can profit from blockchain technology immensely. Simply put, accounting is full of challenges, from the over-complex tax code to the paramount need for accuracy and precision. The blockchain can address all of these issues. The transparency provided by the blockchain can decrease the time auditors spend sampling and validating transactions. By having more time at hand, auditors could focus on controls and other vital tasks. Deloitte is one of the big companies that have been playing the blockchain game from the early days. They launched Rubix, labeled as one-stop blockchain software platform, back in 2014. Since then, they have continued to expand their offerings and even made a partnership with Waves platform to make crowdfunding and cryptocurrency trading more accessible than before. Blockchain technology may represent the next step for accounting. Instead of keeping separate records based on transaction receipts, companies can write their transactions directly into a joint register, creating an interlocking system of enduring accounting records. Since all entries are distributed and cryptographically sealed, falsifying or destroying them to conceal activity is practically impossible. It is similar to the transaction being verified by a notary, only in an electronic way. So how companies would benefit implementing this disruptive technology? Standardization would allow auditors to verify a large portion of the most important data behind the financial statements automatically. The cost and time necessary to conduct an audit would decline considerably. Auditors could spend freed up time on areas they can add more value, for example, on a very complex transaction or on internal control mechanisms. Let us have a look at the case of keeping immutable records. The regulatory requirements for record keeping in, for example, Germany, urge the proof of immutability over the entire retention period. Obviously, for paper receipts, the risk of unnoticed modification is seen as comparably low because of their physical nature. In contrast, electronic files cannot be perceived physically and hence are especially vulnerable. As a consequence, digitalizing paper records introduces the necessity for further preventive measures. The result is a wide range of organizatory, technological, and processual provisions. All preventive measures have to be documented in a conclusive manner for third parties. Unsurprisingly, many companies shy away from introducing a holistic electronic archiving system, although they are aware of the benefits. Using the blockchain makes it impossible to prove integrity of electronic files easily. One approach is to generate a hash string of the file. The hash string represents the digital fingerprint of that file. Next, that fingerprint is immutably time-stamped by writing it into the blockchain via a transaction. Summarizing my thoughts, the blockchain technology has immense potential to shift the nature of today's accounting. It may constitute a way to vastly automate accounting processes in compliance with the regulatory requirements. As I explained in this video, there are numerous starting points to leverage blockchain technology. A cascade of new applications will likely follow that are built on top of each other, leading way for new unprecedented services. What do you think of my views on blockchain being a game changer for accounting? Do leave your comments in the comment box below, and please share this video if you enjoyed watching it with your friends. Thanks for watching me, and I will see you in my next video.